Hi guys, rubber band powered car time again. This one's inspired by one I saw on Pinterest, so I'll put a link in the video description to the file that I saw. The guy used a clothes peg like this to hold the axle, so holes in there for the axle to go through, and then in here he had a pencil or a pen coming out this way, and then attach the rubber band to the end of it and up to the axle. So a bit like a tripod really, 2 wheels and 1 point. Now I've had a look, I haven't quite got the same clothes pegs, so I'm not going to use them. What I do have up in my stock of bits is this 3D printed piece, which was for a totally different design, but that should take the place of the paper clip. And then from there I've been working on some old solar lights. So I've got the post and the spike, but we don't actually need a spike as such. But if I wrap some tape around there to make that a tight fit on there, then we can do the same basic shape model that he had, but entirely different. I'll have to tie something on the end here to hook the rubber band onto, but then we'll give that a go. I'll wrap a bit of tape around there to thicken it up, so that'll be a tighter fit, and then we'll give it a go. So I put tape on there to thicken it up, and then on here I've taped a paper clip in place, so that'll be for attaching the rubber band. In fact, I'll probably have it that way up, so the rubber band goes along the top onto the back axle, or onto the axle. Whether we go forwards or backwards with it just depends on which way round you wrap it up. If we have it going in the direction of the spike, we might end up sticking it in things that we don't want to. Oh, we should be all right. We'll give it a run. I'll join together a few rubber bands. These are a bit small. I'll put one more on. I don't think we actually need it, but okay. Over the back axle, wrap it round so it goes over itself, and it will hold itself in place. Honest. You need to have a bit of tension on it to actually get it to grip. There we go. So we'll give it a try. Oh, I Why's that slowed down? Not enough power. I'll wind it up a bit further. Well, it's a bit more like it, but there's obviously something slowing it down. I'll lubricate the bearings. That was better. I sprayed the bearings with silicone oil. We got there in the end. I had no end of trouble with that. Too much friction. It's amazing how much difference that makes at the front. You'll see I put a bent paper clip on there to try and reduce the friction, but that really didn't help much. I had to double up on the number of rubber bands. And yeah, that was much worse than I expected. But we got there in the end.